Hey, this is Timo from onlinebuilderguy.com, and today we are going to take a look at how the Elementor Theme Builder works. So before we get started, log into your WordPress account and then make sure that these two plugins exist. So go to your plugins section on your WordPress and make sure that Elementor and Elementor Pro are installed. Elementor is a free plugin that you can download and use on your website, on your WordPress website. But Elementor Pro is a paid product. It's an extension to Elementor. But still, if you want to use the theme builder functionality, you need to have the Elementor Pro installed on your WordPress website. So you need basically these two plugins first before we get started, Elementor and Elementor Pro. And once you have those plugins here, they are installed, everything is fine, and then we can get started with this demonstration. Okay, so let me just choose templates here on the left and click Theme Builder. And here on the Theme Builder page, I will click Add New. And then you basically enter the template type selection window. And here you can choose the type of template that you would like to work on. So in my case, I would like to first work on with the header section of my theme. So let me just choose header and give my header a name like this. Header, and let me click create template. And what happens next is that you will see a predefined list of header templates that you can choose from. These templates are provided by the Elementor theme, but you are not limited to these predefined templates. You can always create your own. I'm not going to show you how this process works during this demonstration. It's outside the scope of this video, but it is definitely possible. But for the sake of this demonstration and for the simplicity of this demonstration, I will only choose the predefined templates in this video. And that's basically what I'm going to do next. So when I look at these predefined header templates, I might want to pick like this one, this particular one here at the bottom. When I hover my mouse over this particular template, I will see a couple of things. First of all, if I click this magnifying glass icon, I can preview the template, how it looks. I can also put this template into my favorites list. And finally, when I'm sure that yes, this particular predefined template is a good fit for my needs, I will just click the insert link here at the bottom. So let me just do that. And now I'm in the editing mode of this particular header template. So I will have all the tools available, all the normal tools that I would have if I would be building a page or a blog post for my website. It's as simple as that. You have these header related elements or widgets here on the left, but you also have these other widgets that you can also use. And if and when you have installed the Pro version of Elementor, you have plenty of new widgets to choose from. They are under the Pro category here on the left. But anyway, let me just make a quick change. Let me just change this piece of text here. And let me enter something like this. Okay. Now, let's assume that I have done all the changes and all the modifications to this template. So what is going to happen next? Well, I will just have to publish this particular template. So I will click the publish button here at the bottom And when I do that, I will have to add a condition. So this particular screen defines where your header is going to be visible on. I could choose just some particular areas or sections on my WordPress website where this particular header is visible on, but I think that, and when you click the add condition button, the most easiest and straightforward selection is to use this particular new custom header template across your website. So when you choose entire site, you are all set. So let's just choose that one and click save and close. And there you have it. You have your new shiny header published. You can take a preview look at it if you want to, but if you go back to your dashboard, and the way you do that is you click this hamburger icon here at the top left once, and here you can see the exit to dashboard link. Just click that one, and then you go to templates and theme builder, and under the theme builder tab you will see your new created template. It's as simple as that one. Okay, for the demonstration, let's create a footer template. Let me click add new, and on the template type selection window, let me choose footer. Let's give this footer a name, test footer, and let me click create template. Once again, I get to choose from the predefined footer templates, so I will, for instance, pick this particular one and click insert, and here I can make some modifications as usual with all the widgets that are available on the left side of the editor. Let me just enter call us every day, and we are all set. And let me just publish this custom footer, and here I will also have to add the condition where I want to show that particular new footer. So if I want to show it everywhere on each and every page and post on my site, so let me just choose entire site and click save and close. As simple as that. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let me just create a new template, and this time we are working with the archive pages. So once I get back to the theme builder, so I will choose templates here on the left and then theme builder, and on the theme builder page I will click add new and select archive. Test archive is the name of my archive page, and you probably know how this works already. It's not a secret. So once you click create template, you choose from one of the existing predefined templates. Let me just choose this particular one, click insert, and yeah, let's say that I'm happy with this particular type of layout. The page looks like this right now, but let me just click publish, and I add a condition here. So when I do that, when I add a condition where I want to show this archive, where is this changed applied to, so I'm using this particular template on every archive there is on my website. So all archives is selected, and then I click save and close, and I click this have a look link here at the bottom left, and I can take a preview look at how my archive page combined with the header and the footer looks. It looks good. It's nice. This is really all like everything is really out of the box functionality, but of course you can make your own changes if you want to. Let me just close this particular window here, or this tab rather, and let's do one final template modification, or let's work with one particular template, and I think that this is a very important one, and this particular template pretty much finishes up our WordPress theme that we have been working on right now. So let me go back to the dashboard, go to the theme builder, and then click add new. And here what I will choose next as a template type is single, which means a single blog post. How your single blog post looks like. What is the structure of that particular post? So when I choose single, and then I get to choose the post type. You have some options to choose from, but for this demonstration I'm using post as our post type. And let me just enter a name for this particular post template, and then I click create template. And once again you get to choose from the existing templates or create your own. Let me pick this one, and as you can see that you have these post related widgets here on the left, but you can also use these other widgets. Here are the pro widgets, and you have some other widgets available here as well. But let's say that I'm happy with this particular type of layout. Let's see how it looks. So you have some very simple content area, and you have the post title and some sharing buttons and all that. Let's say that I'm happy with this particular layout. Now what's very interesting here is that very often when you work on your templates, you would like to see how your existing blog posts look with your new theme and with your new templates. So how do you actually do that? Well, here at the bottom you have this preview icon next to the publish button here on the left. So when you click that, and you could obviously just click this preview to have a preview look of this current page that you are seeing right now. But if you click the settings, and here on the preview settings on the left, you get to choose an existing blog post that you would like to see with your new theme or with your new template. So what happens next is that when I click this cross icon here, because the page that you are seeing right now is this test post with Drive Architect, but it doesn't include any meaningful content. So let me just click this cross here and choose another post. I can search for my existing posts, and I have this test Ipsum post. It doesn't make any sense either. It's just gibberish really. But let me just show you how this looks. So when I click apply and preview, so this is how your page looks with some existing content. It's just some, placeholder stuff. Nothing fancy. This is not a real blog post, but it should give you a better idea how your post looks with your new template, with your new style settings. So let's just say that I'm happy with the structure and everything is good. So let me click publish, and here once again you get to choose where this new change is being applied to. I'm using posts. I want to make sure that this new style, this new structure is shown everywhere in every post that I write, or on existing posts that I have already created. And let me just click save and close. And if I choose have a look link here at the bottom, I will see that this is how my new theme looks like with an existing blog post. So I have this new header, and I have this content area, and I have this footer. Great. So what happens next? Well, this is pretty much a process that you use every time you create a new theme for your website with Elementor Theme Builder. So as you can see that when you go to templates and choose Theme Builder, under the Theme Builder tab you will have these newly created templates that basically form this WordPress theme. Now this is nice, but what if you wanted to export parts of the theme or this whole theme to another website that is running WordPress and Elementor Pro? How would you do that? Well, it's actually very simple. When you hover your mouse over any of these posts that you have or templates that you have created, you will see this export template link. So when you click that link, a special file is downloaded to your computer. So in my case, what I have here is that this particular template file is being downloaded as a JSON file. Now, what is a JSON file? It's a special formatting or a special format where your template is being described. You really do not have to know anything about this unless you are a developer. But if you are not, you do not have to worry about this JSON file format. Just wanted to demonstrate that when you export your template, so it's being downloaded as a JSON file, and when you go to the destination computer which has WordPress and Elementor Pro, so when you go to the import templates or click the import templates button here at the top, so you will then have a chance to let me just go to the downloads folder. You have a chance to import this exported template file, and when you do that, it will be shown in your template library. As simple as that. Nothing special. If you would like to export all of these particular, all of these templates that we created, let me just clear this one first. So if I click this checkbox next to the title, right like this, and then I choose export and click apply, everything, all of these templates are downloaded to your computer. Let me just go to the downloads folder, and they are neatly located inside a folder, and when you click this folder, so you have all these template files. And once again, you can excuse me, you can also import these template files on your destination website which has a WordPress and Elementor Pro. So that's basically how the exporting works. Okay, so I have pretty much told you everything that I wanted to share with you on this demonstration. Just make sure that you go through this theme builder wizard. You go through the wizard a couple of times. Only that way you get more comfortable with it, and at certain point you might want to create your own templates and use them. Use those templates on your WordPress theme. But yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment under this video or click a link which takes you to the written version of this particular video. I have written a post related to Elementor Theme Builder, and when you go to my blog you will also find a link to the Elementor Pro review which I have also written. So leave a comment and visit my blog. So that's what I wanted to say here at the end. So that's all, folks, and I will get back to you with the new video very soon. Bye bye.